Today I'm going to show you how to make this nice fluffy shea butter mix. This is a moisturizer and it's going to keep your hair moisturized and lasting a long time. So first thing you need is aloe vera. I am using fresh aloe vera, but there's another option, so keep on watching. So I first start off by cutting up my aloe vera, removing the thorns, and then I'm going to scoop out all the aloe vera filling. So once I've scooped everything out, I get my measuring scale. First thing I want to do is I want to measure the container that I'll be putting the item in, and then I'm adding about 29 grams of fresh aloe vera. Next, I'll be measuring my shea butter. I measure the bowl first and then I add in my shea butter, and the amount of shea butter that I'm using in this, I'm eyeballing it and kind of adding about 65 grams of raw shea butter. I'm going to melt it under warm water like that, sitting in the bowl. Now my aloe vera, I'm going to blend it up like this. Once I blend it up, you can also use aloe vera in this bottle, and this one already has preservatives. Now the amount of aloe vera I use actually matches up with the cube. You see it there. So I'm also adding 21 grams of sweet almond oil for moisture. When it binds with the shea butter and the aloe vera, it pumps up the moisture. I love that. And then I'm gonna add jojoba oil, which is great for your scalp and hair health. So this can actually be used on your scalp if you have dandruff, if you have dry scalp. I added 20 grams of jojoba oil. So next I'm going to just combine everything together, and like that. Once I've combined everything together, I'm going to now add more things. So I'm going to add rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is great for hair growth retention, for your scalp health. I'm adding 0.5 ml of rosemary oil. If you are pregnant, please check with your doctor first. Also, I'm adding 1 ml of Jamaican black castor oil to this for thickening hair. I'm also adding 1 ml of liquid germel plus. This is a preservative so that your product lasts a long time. Remember, if you store this in a cool place and with a dark bottle, the shelf life is longer versus the other method, which will make your shelf life shorter. So always remember that. Once I've mixed everything together, I put it into the freezer just for a few minutes, maybe like 5 minutes or so, to solidify a little bit on top. Then I want to start mixing it, like blending it. Now I'm using a whisk. Don't use anything, use a whisk. You want to use a whisk, trust me. Once you've used the whisk for a long time, then you start seeing it look like whip, like whip that you can cool whip. And that is it. This is what you can use it with. So I'll be showing you in other videos how I use this in my hair for my hairstyle, but this is something that I like making during the winter season because it keeps my hair very, very moisturized. Let me know if you try it, comment below, and I'd like to hear from you.